when it comes to your diet unless you know you suffer from poor kidney health. It's likely you're not really thinking about which specific foods are good or bad for the two renal system organs. And even if you suffer from kidney disease, failure, or other kidney issues, you may not be aware of or adhere to a proper everyday best renal diet. While the strictness of your meal plan depends on the stage of your kidney disease, it's important to understand what you should and shouldn't put in your body to bolster kidney health, or kidney cleanses if you will. The kidneys are essential organs that help us maintain fluid and electrolyte balance and remove waste from our blood. People who have kidney disease don't have fully functioning kidneys, consuming nutrients that the kidney has trouble processing, including protein, sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, can damage the kidneys. So, keep watching for the complete list of the best foods for a kidney cleanse and for the worst foods too. Fatty fish, if you wish to eat fish. Choose salmon, albacore tuna, mackerel, or herring because they increase omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats in the diet. A meta-analysis of research done in 2017 found that omega-3 seconds have been shown to decrease proteinuria, a common complication in kidney disease. Egg whites, since egg yolks contain a lot of phosphorus, which should be avoided if you suffer from kidney issues. Just stick with the egg whites for a healthy, kidney-safe, and delicious breakfast choice. Cauliflower, the vegetable, is rich in antioxidants, including vitamins C and K, calcium, iron, and magnesium. In addition to providing anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial effects, cauliflower is also a great source of fiber. Mashed cauliflower is a great way to add more to your diet. They're easy to make and are overall a better choice instead of mashed potatoes. Berries, specifically blueberries, are a great source of natural antioxidants. They're also ideal for a kidney diet because they are low in phosphorus, potassium, and sodium, and also reduce inflammation. Olive oil. Olive oil is an essential ingredient in the kitchen, so it's a plus that it's kidney-friendly. Olive oil also contains oleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory effects. Most importantly, for a kidney-safe, best renal diet, olive oil is phosphorus-free. Opt for virgin or extra virgin for salads, marinades, and sautéing because they're higher in antioxidants. Garlic. Not only does it smell and taste delicious, but garlic also contains vitamin C and vitamin B6. Be sure to use garlic as a flavor booster while cooking instead of adding salt. And always opt for garlic powder over garlic salt. Red grapes. The juicy and delicious fruit contains flavonoids, which are known to help prevent inflammation. A 2017 study even showed that daily intake of grape powder can help reduce the progression of kidney disease. You can drink red grapes in the form of grape juice, or incorporate them into different recipes. Chicken. Some people with kidney issues may need to be on a low-protein diet. But if you're not one of those people, chicken, specifically skinless, is a solid choice. Skinless chicken contains less fat, sodium, and phosphorus than skin-on chicken, which is why it's a good choice for a kidney-specific diet. Plus, it's easy to incorporate into countless recipes. Cabbage. Yes, cabbage is delicious and super affordable, but most importantly, it's packed with nutrients and minerals, which are great for kidney health, as well as stomach health. In cabbage, you will find calcium, vitamin K, vitamin C, fiber, manganese, vitamin B6, folate, and more. It's also low in phosphorus and potassium, two minerals you should avoid if you have kidney disease. Bell peppers. Red peppers are packed with vitamin C and vitamin A, which improve the immune system. Those with kidney disease may have a compromised immune system, so the more of these vitamins, the better. The vegetable is an easy ingredient to cook with too, as it can be used in a slew of recipes like stuffed peppers and fajitas, as well as in addition to omelets, dips, salads, or sandwiches. For healthy individuals, it's crucial to drink enough water so that the kidneys can properly flush out any excess waste materials. If you are not drinking enough water, your body will not secrete enough urine, which can lead to kidney dysfunction, such as the creation of kidney stones. Dried beans and peas. Dried beans and peas happen to be very high in phosphorus. It's also ideal to avoid the canned versions of beans and peas as well, since they're known to be high in sodium. Dairy products. Dairy products, including milk, ice cream, yogurt, and cheese, should be avoided because dairy naturally contains a lot of phosphorus and potassium. However, dairy products are rich in calcium, so just be cautious of pairing too much dairy with other phosphorus and potassium-rich foods if you are allowed to indulge once in a while. Nuts. While nuts are packed with nutrients and minerals, they are also unfortunately high in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. Swap nut butters for more kidney-friendly spreads such as butter, margarine, jelly, or jam. Bananas. Bananas are known to be of the most potassium-rich fruits out there, unfortunately. A lot of fruits are high in potassium, so Bannon recommends avoiding juices made from them, including orange juice, tomato juice, prune juice, apricot juice, and grapefruit juice.
That's it for today. Check out the channel for more health and weight loss content. You can also purchase our weight loss course. And please, like and subscribe to be notified of our next tip. See you next time.